kahapon kasi sinabi ni Senator Ping na napag-usapan daw po ng majority na si Senator Cheese yung i-elect nyo, sir. How did you go about this decision?
I don't want to preempt yung presiding officer discussion. Pag-uusapan pa yan ng mga senators. At under the rules, it's the Senate President who will preside unless the Senate will decide otherwise. No? So I don't want to preempt our discussion. So magkakaroon kami ng discussion dyan.
Pero sir, tama ba? You are okay if ever yun yung maging decision ng majority na si Senator Cheese ang mag-preside?
Pag-uusapan muna. Pag-uusapan. I cannot preempt kung ano yung magiging discussion.
Pag kayo, sir, you want to preside?
We will discuss. No, we will discuss. But right now, as it stands in the rules, I will preside.
Yun nga, sir. Bakit security forces, sir, yung kinausap nyo for impeachment preps?
Well, we have to admit that the personalities involved are political entities or political personalities. So we have to make sure na covered ang security aspect nitong impeachment proceedings. No? Una, sasabihin ko, tapos na ang Senate Flix. Back to work na tayo. So, in the next few weeks, ay ilalatag na namin yung mga LEDAC bills na dapat matapos. At lalatag na rin namin yung mga preparations natin for the impeachment on July 6. Tuloy-tuloy yung aming coordination with our intelligence clusters, enforcement agencies. We started the preparation for yung physical preparation for the impeachment. We met with the PNP, the AFP, MMDA, Pasay LGU, Patinica, and other enforcement agencies. So in the next few weeks, we will focus also on the bill. So we will request the senators to already proceed with their hearings na basa na yung mga members ng committees, na elect na rin yung mga chairman at vice chairman ng committees, so they can already proceed with conducting a hearing para pagpasok natin tuloy-tuloy na yung mga discussions ng LEDAC bills and also other bills na priority measures ng ating mga senators. Yes, ma'am.
Pwedeng tumalon na sa impeachment.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Okay lang. Sige. Hello. Ayun. Sir, kahapon kasi sinabi ni Senator Ping na napag-usapan daw po ng majority na si Senator Cheese yung i-elect nyo, sir. How did you go about this decision?
I don't want to preempt yung presiding officer discussion. Pag-uusapan pa yan ng mga senators. At under the rules, it's the Senate President who will preside unless the Senate will decide otherwise. No? So I don't want to preempt our discussion. So magkakaroon kami ng discussion dyan.
Pero sir, tama ba? You are okay if ever yun yung maging decision ng majority na si Senator Cheese ang mag-preside?
Pag-uusapan muna. Pag-uusapan. I cannot preempt kung ano yung magiging discussion.
Pag kayo, sir, you want to preside?
We will discuss. No, we will discuss. But right now, as it stands in the rules, I will preside.
Ito yung naging answer. Kasi there are reports na parang yun yung naging usapan kay Senator Cheese kaya siya lumipat sa kampo po ninyo.
Well, i-discuss namin, no, as pag-uusapan yan ng mga senators. No? So again, I don't want to preempt the discussion, but we will have that discussion soon.
Sir, yung sa amendment, sir, ng impeachment rules, wala nang problema doon. Kahit was approved na during dun sa 12 lang yung quorum na the question that that's
Walang question doon. No? Walang question doon. Kasi may quorum naman eh. No? In fact, during that time, may quorum tayo and there's already established precedents na in the past, there are 8 instances wherein 12 senators lang ang determine ng quorum.
Pero sir, yung sa session yung kahapon, yung mga election ng ng committee chairmanships, parang may mga inulit kayo doon dahil ba to
Wala naman yung mga binanggit na pangalan as chairmanship were only manifestations kasi nag-elect na in the past tapos minanifest lang and then ang importante doon yung election ng mga members. Yun ang
Hindi
pinaka-importante.
siya inulit dahil may 30
No,
number.
if you listen to the motion ni Senator Zubiri, it was a manifestation on the part of the chairman and then the members ang election.
Sir, since may pending question before the Supreme Court, hindi kayo na mabother na later on kung magkaroon ng adverse ruling, will that affect?
Wala naman TRO if the Supreme Court thinks that there is irreparable damage, mag-issue yan ng TRO. So wala naman TRO na in-issue. So in the absence of a TRO, tuloy-tuloy lang trabaho.
Pero I mean, in the, sir, na magkaroon ng decision ng Supreme Court, tapos the decision will affect the impeachment proceeding dahil nga based dun sa kung mag-iiba kayo ng presiding officer based on that 12 member na
Wala naman. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung trabaho, no? Wala namang in-issue na TRO.
Sir, dun sa issue ng quorum, ng conviction threshold, mas dumarami yung nagsasabi na baka dapat ibaba dahil hindi na nga 24 yung within the jurisdictional
Well, my
power.
opinion, it's malinaw ang constitution, no? 3/4 of all members. So that's is 16. So in my opinion, we have to follow the constitution, no? And sorry, 2/3. Correction, 2/3 of all members, no? Very clear ang constitution dyan.
Pero pag-uusapan nyo yan, sir. Is the Senate Impeachment Court open to probably a motion para ibaba ang threshold?
Well, I cannot predict kung anong mga I cannot predict kung ano yung mga issues na lalabas doon, but as far as I'm concerned, I will uphold what is written in the Constitution.
Pushing it further, sir, yung issue nung sa threshold. We understand, sir, na gusto nyo masunod yung sa Constitution. Pero, sir, kasi yung ngayon may issue ng warm bodies na available during the impeachment trial. So, are you in any way open to discussing, sir, na ibaba talaga yung threshold? Kasi, sorry, sir, pero may possibility pa kasi
We
may
cannot
ibang
preempt
ma-arrest.
kung anong sasabihin ng prosecution. We cannot also preempt kung anong sasabihin ng ibang mga senators. I can only state my opinion, no, on the matter.
That even if lower yung number ng warm bodies, you will adhere to 2/3 of 24?
Ako, at least my opinion, no. I don't know with the others. Hindi ko pa sila nakakausap on that matter.
SP, in case na ma-elect nga si Sen. Cheese na presiding officer ng impeachment court, bakit okay lang sa'yo? Sinasabi naman ng mga kasama mo na competent.
Let's wait, guys, kasi pag-uusapan pa yan, no. Let's wait. It will be a discussion.
Kinausap for the impeachment preps ay AFP, PNP.
Kasi may Marines tayo dito. We have a Marine contingent. We have 20 plus Marine contingent here. So dapat coordinated. No? So kahapon, if may nagpicture yata kahapon. So hindi lang naman Marines, andun ng MMDA, Pasay LGU, NICA, PNP, AFP, sino pa ba? BFP, Fire. No? So marami sila.
Yun nga, sir. Bakit security forces, sir, yung kinausap nyo for impeachment preps?
Well, we have to admit that the personalities involved are political entities or political personalities. So we have to make sure na covered ang security aspect nitong impeachment proceedings, no. And like I said, very limited in space. Ang constraint kasi dito space, no. So inuna na namin i-meet itong logistics and security aspects.
Isa na lang, pwede pa comment lang sa sinabi ni Senator Ping Lacson na umabot daw ng 700 million yung nalustay in the past weeks. Dahil doon sa mga nangyaring kaguluhan, walang nag-boycott sa session, walang hearings, and paano nyo po babawiin yung lost time and yung
Well, kinumpute namin ang budget ng Senado per day is about 24 million, no? Almost 25 million, no? Just to operate the Senate. The Senate is a big institution. We have 2,000 people, may isang building tayo. So if you count those days, those are the days na naging unproductive, no? Kaya nasabi ko nga in one of our press cons na sayang yung pera na ibinibayad ng tao sa sweldo, sa kuryente. So babawiin naman natin yan in the next few days, no? So we'll back down to work, no?
Sir, kung di na Senate Flix, ano ng episode tayo ngayon?
Back to work season.
Sir, ano lang po yung magiging agenda ng
Hindi back to school, back to work.
agenda ng caucus before the impeachment, sir?
Yes?
Ano lang po yung magiging agenda ng all members caucus before the impeachment?
Marami. Yung security, yung schedule, yung outcome ng pre-trial conference. Yung pre-trial conference kasi we narrow down also the time. So gaano kahaba, no? So and then it will narrow down also the day itself, kung sinong testigo ang ipepresenta, anong ebidensya ipepresenta. So lahat 'yan on a per day nakalatag na 'yan, no? So we will discuss that with the senators.
You also see it as a way para ma-ensure that all's well after the dispute. Yung caucus na yun.
Yes, what do you mean? All's well.
Na okay na po lahat yung mga senators after the dispute.
Yeah, I like I said, no, lahat naman ay sa mga nakakausap po, generally the senators just want to go back to work. And itong impeachment is part of our responsibilities under the Constitution. So it's part of our work, no.
SP,
Kaya
sir.
magiging dalawa yung trabaho namin, impeachment and legislation.
Kanina pa kayo. The SP, yung parking ng senators, bakit sarado? Interestingly, bakit po hindi pinapapasukan?
Yung sa likod kasi walang x-ray machines, tsaka walang metal detector, no? So pinag-aaralan pa how to secure that entry. Unlike dito sa harap, may x-ray machines, may metal detector, at mayroong registration ng guest, no? Sa likod wala eh. So we're studying, OSA is studying kung how to secure that area. So for now, close siya. Tinitingnan namin kung kayang maglagay ng mga metal detectors and x-ray para lahat ng dumadaan doon. Meron ding dadaan din sa same security protocols. In other, marami kami napuntahan na halls of parliament. Napaka-strict. Kahit na Speaker of the House or Leader of the Parliament dumadaan sa security protocols, no? So because marami tayong pinag-uusapan na very sensitive, no? So dapat lahat dumadaan sa the same security protocols.
Meron na ba kasing concern? Kasi ang nagpa-park lang naman ho doon senators and siguro ilang chief of staff.
Oo.
Meron bang concern na pwedeng magdala ng baril or any contraband?
Well, pinag-aaralan namin how to secure all ingress and ingress. No, pinapag-aralan natin. Dapat pagpasok ng building safe regardless kung sino ang papasok. No?
And then sir, yung sa report nga ng DOJ na the Senate was not under attack noong May 13, binalak ko kasi nung during the Cayetano Senate presidency, binalak nila mag-hold ng hearings, magkaroon ng investigation ng sarili ang Senate. Magkakaroon po ba ngayon? And may necessity ba
Hindi
for
namin
that?
napag-usapan, but based sa mga kausap kong senators, mas maganda iiwan na lang sa DOJ dahil independent, no? So we cannot investigate ourselves, no? So in the next few days we'll coordinate with the DOJ on that report, no? Wala.
How would you describe your leadership style as a senator? You've heard about consensus building, about being strict, discipline.
Well, I think most of you have witnessed my last 10 years here. Pati TWG pinupuntahan natin, no? Kasi ako, para sa akin, TWG mas importante sa hearing kasi doon yung nitty-gritty ng bill making eh. So but I enjoy it, no? Kasi natututo ako at nakikilala ko yung mga resource persons. So I think if I describe it, kayo na lang mag-describe, no? I think mahirap self-serving kasi pag di-describe ko sarili ko eh. Oo. Oo. Okay? Last.
Kasi impeachment, sir, wala kayong nakikita timeline kung gano'n tatanong yung kaya.
Wala pa. We'll wait for the pre-trial conference.
Will there be appointment of officials like manager? Will there be...
We'll be discussing that. We'll be discussing. Wala pa. Last, si Si
May
Tribune.
pag-uusap po ba within the majority to file a motion to the Sandigan Bayan to lift the suspension of Senator Jinggoy because Senator Lacson over the weekend mentioned that he cited the pronouncement of Ombudsman Boying Rimulya na at least 9 senators are at risk to be subjected to a probe. So sabi niya, it could possibly derail the impeachment if lahat yon ay masususpend.
Those are just parang if I'm not mistaken, statements, hypothetical scenarios and statements. So mahirap mag-react to those type of comments kung hindi pa naman nangyayari.
But
And
yung-
we cannot file to the Sandigan because we're not a party of interest. No? It's between the respondent and also the state. No? Kami hindi kami kasali doon.
Okay, sir. So walang effort to file a
Wala,
motion?
wala.
Okay. Thank you,
All
sir.
right? Thank you.